I hope doing well. Today I made one noise generator with one electrical motor, one variable cap, and one inductor coil. That's it. So the battery is the backside. It is a lithium 3.7 battery with a small charger USB here. I'm turning on the project, then go to schematic. Very nice. You can see the motor is working, and here is the frequency. It's amazing, really. Very powerful, and as this is sweeping noise, I'm not able to check the duty cycle because of this is noise, and I'm not able to calculate or measure the duty cycle. Here is 30 Hz, 30 kilohertz noise source with high power output. By tuning the variable cap, I'm able to adjust the frequency. It is 32, 31, 29, 30. And also I designed one antenna. The inductor coil is changeable. You can use the other type of the ferrite core inductor to use exactly the different frequencies. You can see with my meter I have a little bit signal here. You can see, and also my electrosmog meter will working, as well as the high power jammer. Very good. Let's take a look to the schematic. One point, if you are going to change the frequency up to 10 megahertz, you should use the direct coil like this to make the project. Here is the noise source. The book is in Persian language and it is very easy. Here is the component that you are able to use. CV is 365 picofarad cap, like mine, this one. You can use the old radios to pick up this. If you use this coil from the radio, it will help too much, and you can go for 2 kilohertz. I use the 3 kilohertz because I'm using the Dr. Clark zapper with this frequency, but you can go up to 10 megahertz with this configuration. 3.3 to 6 volt battery, one cap, one motor, and coil and variable cap. That's it. Let me show you the back side of the project. I use very powerful 3.7 volt lithium battery with the USB charger, and it is portable, very fixed, sweeping 30 kilohertz with the electromotor and with variable cap to make sweeping noise.